Tiny Tinkle's Little Musician Series presents, yay! It's my favorite piano notes, featuring a quiz with the notes CDE FGAB. Have you subscribed? Oh, whose favorite note is in between the two black keys? Woof! Daisy Dog D! Whose favorite note is before the two black keys? Meow. Chloe Cat C. Whose favorite note is after the two black keys? Powoo! Ellie Elephant E. Let's try the three black keys. Who could it be? Frankie Frog, F. Whose favorite note is after F, right after the first of the three black keys? Ma. It's Gordy Goat G. Who's after Gordy Goat G, in between notes 2 and 3 of the three black keys? Oh, it's Alligator A. Chomp, chomp, chomp. And after the three black keys comes Roar, Brownie Bears B. Back to the two black keys. Who could it be? Meow, Chloe Cat C. Ooh, in the middle. This is a tricky one. Woof, woof, Daisy Dog D. Ooh, we're going backwards. Who's before the two black keys? Chloe Cat C. Ooh, another tricky one. After the two black keys comes Powoo, Allie Elephants E. Before two black keys. Meow. Chloe Cat C. Wow, you're getting good at this. Okay, in between the two black keys is the letter D for Daisy Dog. Woof, woof, woof. Oh, three black keys, here we come. Who's first before the three black keys? Ribbit, ribbit. Frankie Frog F. Oh, after the three black keys at the very end. Who is it? Roar, Brownie Bear B. Okay, next up. Oh, it's right before Brownie Bear's note. Chomp, chomp. Ellie Alligator's A. Who's before the three black keys? Oh, you know this one. The very first one. Ribbit, ribbit, Frankie Frog F. Oh, after Frankie Frog. Oh, they're such good friends. Ma, Gordy Goat, and the letter G. The end. More resources for little musicians at tinytinkles.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.